Alright, welcome back to another video, 26-month review. Welcome to the new vlog camera, the new vlog setup. I'm really pushing myself this winter to sort out a lot of the things I'm unhappy with the channel and vlogging and cameras and all my setup. I want to do more image stabilized video because I think it just turns out so much better. So I built a pretty extravagant rig. I previewed it, we'll talk about it later, but you guys are now rocking my big old Sony with image stabilization, proper 4K. It's just, this is the camera I want to do it on. It's got the mic, it's got everything. So this is gonna be the ongoing. I built this primarily for drag racing, and everything since I went drag racing has been about drag racing. And not just the times in the car, but the experience and the sharing and the capturing of video. It has to be seamless, it has to be effortless. I have to be able to rely on it because you can't stop halfway down the drag strip and fix your cameras. You can't get down a run and be all pissed off that you didn't capture your camera when you ran your personal best. Like, your cameras are either on point and your content is where you want it to be, or it isn't and you're not. So that's what I've really been working on, trying to figure out. As well as sponsored videos. I'm trying to really showcase why I'm doing stuff different than other creators. So that's kind of where we're at. The car itself, we roll over 45,000 kilometers. I haven't been doing much more than like 200 kilometers a month. I've been trying to scale back and cut some expense and switch gems, and just everything's kind of been cut back and simplified. Trying to save money. I've got other things I got to worry about beyond cars and all that. So again, it's an ongoing process. So I don't know. Updates. I really want to get the RotoFab coolant tank. I've been sharing it on social media and pumping it around. I'm really hoping they send me one because I've really been trying to pump up the hype on it for them, with them, because they've been really great to work with since they talked to me about my issues on my intake, and I got the new elbow, and everything's kind of revolved. They've been very communicative with me in trying to keep me up to date with new products and just everything going on. So it's been pretty cool to work with them. The MBRP thing is still in the works. They were extremely busy with SEMA. It seemed like every truck there had a SEMA exhaust. The cars, not so much, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna put an exhaust in this car, and we're gonna show you guys what they can do. I'm pretty excited about it, and I'm hoping that I can put together an exhaust system different than everything else they offer for the Camaro currently, and a little bit different than everything everybody else offers for the Camaro currently, but a setup that rewards you for the cost as to the reward of what you're trying to achieve out of your system. So that's the goal. Hopefully everything can come through and pans out the way I'm hoping. But I've been pushing Instagram, I've been pushing Facebook, I've been sharing everything like crazy. I've been reaching tens of thousands of people I'd never seen before. The channel just smashed 3,000 subscribers, which is unbelievable. It seems like a small number when you think of creators on the platform, but man, when you're in that zone and you're grinding for 2 and a bit years and you see that 3,000 number, it was just unbelievable. And then now we're up like another 20. Like, it just, like, the snowball is starting to pick up some speed, and it is growing, and it's pretty fantastic. And the goals and the plans are just growing ever exponentially. The racing season next year, whether I could get the drag radials I want or not, or the exhaust, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna have the trailer, we're gonna be at the track, we're gonna be set up, the shop will be set up, and we're gonna be just doing our thing. It's gonna be a whole community of people at the track around this little freaking trailer that I'm gonna tow down, and it's gonna be just an awesome experience. I'm super excited to share with you guys, because I don't see too many people doing that, and trying to share with you guys that you don't need a big race rig and a pickup truck and all this huge amount of expense beyond the already great expense of this car. And then just higher quality content. I'm working on color correction and grading and all these other higher end features and trims that I've never done before. So again, I'm trying to learn so that I can better present myself to you guys. So I'm always open to suggestions. I'm always open to video requests. Whatever you guys want to know, like, let's talk about it. Let's get that conversation going, and let's enjoy everything, because Oh my God, winter's coming, and I am headed right now to put winter tires on my car. That'll be a separate video. Till next time, guys, take care, drive safe, behave as always, and thank you very much for the support.